This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. When did everything start to fall apart in your opinion where you say, okay, this isn't really working out right now?
Fall apart on what terms?
As in the crew where you guys stopped performing together, recording together as a unit.
It's after the whole thing going with between Ghost and around it. From seeing Buju Studios, I talk about Buju. Buju Banton get incarcerated. Buju Banton, my son named
Marcus.
Now I tell Marcus, your father have a reputation on the street. It's anything at all in the music where you decide to put your hand on it, you get a support to the fullest. I mean, I tell you right now, say you need to produce. So me always encourage him. You know what I'm saying? And we decide I'm first with him this month put out. The first kind of money shot going on, me at the right time. But most of the writing in it. So you know what I'm saying, we put the song together, and I'm saying, feel a running part. You get me? We want to write not a lot, you know, but me and man always have the ideas, and always do most of the writing. So, if me put a song together, we put on the demo. So when it come list, the film part, Ghost come, and the film part. You know, Ghost a singer, so we come up, we look up, see him look up, kind of slow them and look here. I put the song together for Marcus. I say, yo, listen to me, I'll give a man the shock song, send him a road. We put on the demo upon the song. Normally, a Ghost first put on the chorus. Ghost will kind of have a look think, I'm left in the General Star, like once I get too lazy in the music business. So I'm kind of, we know what I call it, that kind of look a vendetta or something towards the whole thing. But when you put on the chorus, Ghost come on and was like, run it. Go put on your partner. So I wanted was like, Ghost, now you always have to put on the chorus first. So Ghost like, so you can't do it, so you can't do it first this time. And, you know what I'm saying? And the aggression, and you know, running the answer and the aggressive same way. And the whole thing, you know what I'm saying, start until it escalate and till man start to share things, or share personal information, share, you know what I'm saying? And man start to say things now with hard for the car. Anybody can fall out. But you see words, you have some words, you have some things in our forgiveness tonight.
For sure.
I have things there, and that's why anything I have for me, like, even me and Killer have the back and forth things. We could have take it to the extreme, but we choose not to. We choose the words because I always have respect for my artists. I know so one day we're going to become the best of friend again. So you can't do something and say, yo, I wish Bunty Clef be my enemy for the rest of my life. But can't in a small place like Jamaica, you're going to wish for your money in the same, as a poor worker, we're in the same factory, and you're going to wish for not see the man and talk to the man. You wish you not see him, you know, and that's possible, you know. But you wish for your land, because when somebody don't have an enemy, you know, I do think you don't want to see that person there. Because sometimes we hate somebody when they hate them to the point where they want them dead, you know. But you don't hate them, that's you can't stand them present. You know what I'm saying? So what you wish for? You wish to not see the person for the rest of your life, that's not possible. You know what I'm saying? So you're not going to share certain things then where you know say, listen, it unforgivable. No. Because it have a gauge. And as much as we have to do something when I exchange words, we gauge it. And that's why even when man cartel, you have a share them something, I say, trust me, cartel, go to the extreme, you know. Because me respect my friend, but if a man says certain things to me, trust me, I don't like saying, man of God, I'm believing in forgiveness. But there's certain things that hard for you to forgive a man. You know what I'm saying? And there's certain things people not forgive people for them. Feet. You know what I'm saying? So certain things where you go so to him, General Star, you got a man there, you this, I be a part of the eat, I be this as a General Star, I'm gonna take my name and put them to a level. And then after 10 years or 5 years, me and him supposed to become friends. So you never see that in a vision. You know, I say look more along the line, so I become the past. You know, say that small mind subdue by misfortune, but a great mind rise above. You don't know that. You know, say after that time, everything we feel like say is a burden. You know what I'm saying? It will come like light as for that after that time. You know what I'm saying? nothing lasts ever more than salvation. So you can't see the picture, you can't see 5, 10 years on the line. Yeah, man, we have vision, man. Okay, most people have dreaming, but them don't have no vision.
Got you. So the real issue was between Wronghead and Ghost. That's what really broke up the crew.
Yeah, so that's the kind of thing that kind of cause a difference. And then Ghost, and then kind of have a look at Ghost, that one when them earth and them take it, the earth. Everyone is like a part of the same. So it don't need me now to always do what I do to try to keep the crew together. When at the point of me decide to say, I have a mission, you know. I'm not busy about Ghost, I'm not busy about Ronald. You know what I'm saying? And if Ronald comfortable not talking to Ghost, I support him on that. If Ghost comfortable not talking to Ronald, I support him on that. Because listen, it's like, it feel like that take too much out of me if I try to have this back and forth thing. And it come like, I try to put a crew together before me can pursue my career or before me can eat food. I mean, now I make the man feel like kind of way they need that, so but have to do me. You know what I'm saying? I mean, believe, say, just like I'm telling someone have dream, but I'm not a vision. Me know, say, it will come right wrong. You know what I'm saying? So, in a force, two man now deal, don't force them to talk to each other. Because they're going to talk to each other and I'm going to split up back. Because it's going to force. Not with force, not going on. The US force, the police force, not any force. You get me? No good. So, it's my thing flow, you know, and it's a flow till Ghost and around it. They're my friend right now. It's the idea of Ghost mother dead, and when Ghost mother dead, around his mother jump out at the same time. So it's like, it has show more things we have in common from them time until now. I didn't know ever stop. You know what I'm saying? So, in a sense, you fight the feelings, you know what I'm saying, for the certain things, but that is beneficial to you.
Makes sense. You know, I mean, it's just one of those things where, as an outsider, you see the big group, and you just fans always want things to last forever. But at the end of the day, you have to remember that you guys are human beings too, and you're not going to see the same way every day, eye to eye, every day in a group of people. You know what really looked good when we seen you and Wronghead performing at Best of the Best a couple years ago. How did you like that performance?
I mean, I tell you, listen to me. But the more than accepted to the fans, I look at a whole lot of shows. And the best of the best, as I'm telling you, the year before that, I'm called for Manchester Crew. That's the same separation I try to tell about. You know.
Yeah.
Them call and say they want Manchester Crew for perform at the best of the best. Then Ronald called me and said, General B, call Ghost and talk to Ghost. You get me? Because as much as they separated from each other, you get me? We have to work, this work shall be done, and we have to do. You get me? So we need to get them done. So when Ronald called me, I tell him to talk to Ghost. Me never comfortable to talk to Ghost because me see Ghost every day. And it's like, to me, it's like me still a vent. You know what I'm saying? So when Ronald tell me, say, Ronald called back about 2 days after when he begged me for call Ghost, and say, you not talk to Ghost. And be honest with him, I never talk to Ghost. So son don't feel like they trust me, you know, so I call Ghost. Because they never did or doubt to me, you know, come here and say, best of the best manager crew. I can't bother if I go through something because doesn't mean you can do a show. I don't want Ghost feel like, I don't want, you know what I'm saying? So I just bother sending to Ghost. Anyway, our producer named Colin for to reach out to Ghost. When he reach out to Ghost, we Ghost react. He get to Colin for to say, you know him, I'm call him. And me, they assume the same thing, that's why I'm not call him. You get me? So, we got to Ghost as a singer. It's the reason why I'm not to come to you and try to make it even reach to a level because it's a woman I want to go to. I mean, I say, if you are wanted, not depend on the level right now. And you have your show for that can't stop you. You can't depend on the stage over to the left of me then and big line running up on next side. As long as you get the money, you come there work and you're gone. It's like, I talk to him right now, really stop. I mean, I said, brother, talk to him like I know with because Colin Fata already tell him, say, best of the best, that's how I get mother shot. Anyway, best of the best, reach out to him and say, all right, from we can't get mother shot, Ghost, I'm going to use you alone. So I use him alone that year there. And him do an excellent performance. So That's why the ear now after them decide to listen to me. You get my mother second thing when we want say my let's use Ghost, Go Ahead, and General B alone. And so
Good.
end up I wanted alone perform at the best of the best at that year. And that
Big performance here. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.